Good morning, guys. Whoops. Oh, am I on the wrong screen? Probably. Welcome back to the O Show, everything crypto and NFTs every day. I'm your host with the most, WendyO, and we're going to be talking about the breaking XRP, Chainlink, and Solana news and why you should not ignore these three altcoins. And it was actually a good day for me because I told you guys I had a Solana moon bag. Nothing too crazy, but I forgot how much of a moon bag I had, and I actually had more than I thought I did, and that makes me happy. So I got a little bit extra cash in there. That's good. That's feels some good. But it's exciting. It's good. So we're going to talk about those altcoins. Also the fit. This is from the thrift store. I got this the other day at my haul. I think it was like $2. I always like to show you guys my hauls because it's fun for me because I love saving money. And then we always like donate the stuff or whatever. I give it down to low, whatever it is. But anyways, we are here. We're ready to go. We're ready to grind. We're ready to make money. We're ready to think for ourselves. And we're ready to also you're ready to hear me say, I'm proud of you. Proud of you for showing up this morning. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, set alerts, push this out. We've got 115 beautiful people in the house. I actually let all the crazy people be able to comment in the chat. I put the chat for everybody. So y'all can go ahead and comment if you want. When he's gone back to the 70s, kind of, sort of, good, kind of, sort of. I'm just here. I'm just trying to make myself feel better. Let me tell y'all a quick story, okay? Well, okay, so first we have a poll at the top. My ADHD is in overdrive today. But what is your investing style? Hold, trade, degen, bean soup. I'm going to make some bean soup. I told y'all this bean soup. I'll post a picture. I will post a picture for you on YouTube today after I make it. I love you too, baby. I'll post it for you after I make it. It is so good. It literally takes like 20 minutes and it is so good. So good. And it's healthy because it's got protein in it. It's got spinach and all kinds of things. I sprayed too much cologne on. Yeah, I'm wearing boys cologne today. But I sprayed too much on. So I'm all cinnamony. I seem light and refreshed today. I love that. And see, the thing, some of us are the most traumatized or that went through the most stuff. This is just proof that we look that when we're feeling extra stressed out, it just comes out different because we're trying to mask that. But anyways, what was I going to say? I was going to say something. I forgot. No, I made a post on Twitter. I forgot. What was I going to say? No, my train of thought is not working. But that's okay. That's the way. That's what we do. That's what we do here. But I'm excited for today. I got a dental appointment. I'm going to get a cleaning. I got pretty good teeth. I'm like 82 years old. I never had a cavity. So I got to go do that today. I got to do my second video for you beautiful people. Maybe look at some trades. I don't know, but let's get into it. Oh, first and foremost, we're going to talk about this moron here because I think it's fantastic. Okay. So this guy, Ben.eth. Okay. Apparently, his Twitter account was suspended. Okay. Let's see. I don't know what's going on with this. I don't know what's true, what's not true. But apparently this guy rugged. I don't know if he's rugged or not, or I don't know what the deal is. But this also tells you who he is on CoinMarketCap. But this was one of the guys that was like, send me ETH. And he created all these projects. I was with Ben in Estonia when I was in Ben with Estonia, when Ben.eth was giving words to him. It was just a ghetto hot mess. I don't do business. I don't know. I'm gonna keep my mouth shut because I don't know who this guy is too much. I don't rock with a whole lot of people. I don't have no patience for this stuff. But my good friend Brooke, she posted this right here. Apparently, this is one of his new projects. I don't follow along with these types of people. People love to call me a scammer, but I don't create projects. But apparently, this project rug that he had, I don't know. I personally don't care. But what I'm going to tell you guys something. If you're going to be degenning and investing in risky projects, expect it to rug. Expect it to go away, expect to lose your money. And if you can understand how this works, you're going to do well because you might make a big on something. It's like playing a casino. Okay. That's what it is. So just be careful who you rock with. Okay. Anyways, it is what it is. I don't rock with these people. I don't keep myself around these people, whatever. Let's take a look at the current crypto market cap. Okay. And I'm going to talk to you guys about ORDI because this is going to be important. So this is the current crypto market cap. OP is up 20.8%. WeMix 15.9. BTT down negative 20%. Is probably pumped and dumped, I would imagine. I don't know. But let's talk about, and Helium, HNT, I believe that's Helium, is up 27.6%. And then ORDI is up 19.2%. ORDI is a Bitcoin Ordinals based project, kind of, sort of. Okay. So this is why we don't buy red candles. or excuse me, this is why we don't buy green candles. Let's go ahead and talk about it, okay? I'm not saying anything bad about the project, but when you are trading, when you are investing, when you're dealing with all this stuff, you need to be calculated in your decisions. And this is why we take profit. This is exactly why we take profit, okay? Look at this. What if you're the one that bought ORDI up here at $61 and you thought it was going to go higher and you didn't take profit when it went up to $65? This is just a lesson, okay? Is ORDI a scam? I don't think so. Is it going to go away? I don't necessarily think so. I'm just showing you, okay? People that bought the top here at $61 and didn't just bought in or holding, you are now down. Okay, this thing, it looks like it's going to continue to drop. We're probably going to retest $42 and possibly down to about $32. I wouldn't even be surprised if we consolidated back in this range between about $25 and maybe even $31. Okay. Oh, that was Raider. But anyways, with that being said, this is why we talk about profit taking. And this is why it's important to identify what type of trader or investor you are. And that's why I have it at the top there. So if you're somebody that holds, you need to understand, are you dollar cost averaging? When are you buying? Are you going to take profit at some point? How much are you willing to lose? How much are you willing to hold back on the drawbacks? Okay. If you're somebody that's trading, you need to figure out when you're going to take profit, because this chart looks ugly. That's a total, it looks totally topped off there. It looks nasty. And again, I'm not throwing shade at anybody at all. I'm just giving you my personal opinion. That's all. And telling you to do what works for you. Now with Bitcoin, top was created here. We are going to go all the way back down to this range, probably about $40,000. Okay. That's probably where we're going to go. And that's good. It is good we're getting a Bitcoin correction. Wendy, why is it good we're getting a Bitcoin correction? So you can still get in. We know we're going to get a Bitcoin spot ETF, most likely approved first or second quarter of 2024. With that being said, we want a correction. We want to get back in later, and we want to hold or trade it or do whatever it needs to do so that we continue to go up. What the fuck? Weird people, man. Ugh. Anyways, with that being said, that's what you need to figure out. People say, can you talk about exit strategy? Let's talk a little about exit strategy. You need to determine, are you a trader? Are you a holder? What that is. You need to figure out what works for you, okay? Because if I'm day trading, I'm not going to have time to give you guys an exit strategy. You need to figure that out for yourself, okay? You need to completely figure that out for yourself, and you need to understand that there's certain times where you need to take profit, and you need to figure that out. I can't tell you when to exit. However, what I can do is I can direct you over here. Okay, we have 300 amazing people in the chat, and we're going to go ahead and get it. I'm going to get into XRP. Hush, you hush. I'm part of a free trading group called Alpha U. If you guys want to learn how to trade, they're posting calls in there. They're doing all different types of things, beautiful things. Join and tell them Wendy sent you. I posted that in the chat. Also, too, if you wanted a crypto exchange to trade on, to dollar cost average on, and you're going to remove your crypto after your DCA, and you've read the terms of services, you can go ahead and use Femex. It's in the ref links are going to be in the description, and it is going to be in the chat as well. So if you support me, or go to CryptoWendyO.com, if you use any of my ref links, that you help support me, you help support the channel. Okay, let's get back into it. Got to shield myself a bit. We got to make some money here. Christmas is coming up, and I want to get some stuff for the kids, for the neighborhood kids. Anyways, that being said, Bitcoin, she's topped off here. Market Cipher printed a clear signal here, and also too, we talked about this yesterday, okay? We talked about this yesterday because the last time anytime we hit like this peak eye over here, that kind of happened twice, we get a correction. Back over here, when we hit that high area, that super high area, we pumped a little bit more and then we dropped. We pumped and then we dropped, okay? So that's what I'm talking about. I think we're going to continue to have a correction. I don't think we're going to break down below 40,000, okay? It's called Alpha U. It is on my website, or you could go to YouTube and check it out. Some crypto OGs are in there. These guys have been trading with leverage for a million years. You don't need to be trading with leverage. But anyways, I don't see us really breaking below $40,000, but I would expect to pull back to about $40,000. This aligns with the EMA 30, and it just kind of makes sense to me. As we pulled back along this in this uptrend since down over here, October 17th, we've had some swing wick lows to the EMA 30, so this would make sense, okay? I don't necessarily see us breaking below $40,000, but it could happen, so you need to make sure you're hedged. Taking a look at the 4-hour chart, we are in a downtrend here. So I feel like we're going to pop off here to about 40,000 and then pop back up. Okay, that's what I'm seeing is going to happen. If you want to use my ref links, great. If not, that's your business. Now, let's talk about this story with Ripple. So Ripple's stablecoin project in Palo moves forward with first phase. Okay, Ripple is making massive waves. And when we talk about Ripple, we talk about XRP. And I know there's a lot of people that are pissed off with XRP price. And I'm here to tell you, Ripple just got out of, or is almost out of, a massive lawsuit by the SEC. The XRP community absolutely deserves to be vindicated, and you absolutely deserve to make some money this cycle. And I'm very confident that XRP will do immensely well when we're completely in a bull run, because you guys deserve it. That's what I really, really think it's going to do well. I really think it's going to do well. The lawsuit's almost going to be over. And with Ripple making moves like this is just good for XRP. It's good for the community, and it's absolutely fantastic. So I'm going to go ahead and read a little bit from this article, and then we're going to go ahead and chart XRP. And we're going to be doing a lot more charting now because there's actually good setups and things that we can see. So Ripple and the Republic of Palo jointly launched a stablecoin pilot in July, and it was rolled out in phases. The first phase involved participation from 200 government employees and local merchants in Palo. They use the Palo stablecoin to make purchases from at least 3 local retailers. Again, this is a CBDC. I don't like CBDCs. I think they're bad. I think they're oppressive, but at the same time, we got to grift as ethically as possible. So that's what we're doing on the show. And if you're brand new to the channel, my name is Wendy. I ethically grift. It basically means having good ethics and following laws, hiring good CPAs, figuring out all the tax loopholes, and making as much money as ethically possible and disclosing everything. Okay. And I do have a little bag of XRP. Anyways, so the latest on this, they released a progress report. Stablecoin was issued by the Ministry of Finance in the Republic of Palo on XRPL. And again, on XRPL, I'm pretty sure that they have NFTs. It is fully collateralized with USD cash deposits. 168 volunteers took part in the pilot out of a total of 223 citizens who initially volunteered. Phase 1 was successful among both volunteers and retailers. Both responded positively to the value proposition offered by the stablecoin as a digital payment system, and most participants that they would favor PSC use if the government approved the national deployment. And the project wants future phases to focus on building a solid ecosystem that combines financial institutions, regulatory agencies, legal frameworks, businesses, and users into the stablecoin network. So stablecoins are important. I think that they matter. However, I think that this is going to be bad, and it's going to go into a CBDC. We can't fight the CBDC. It's coming. But Palo is very, very well versed when it comes to Web3. You can actually get a digital ID there. Pretty cool. But they're super well versed to Web3. They love crypto, and they're supportive of it. So I think that this is a really awesome story. Even though I don't like a CBDC, I don't really think that this is necessary. I like to see Ripple win, and I like to see the community win. I love to see XRP Army win. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at XRP's price action. And I promise I will cover Sol, and I will cover all the other stuff. Just give me a hot minute. Hot minute, baby. So taking a look at XRP, this isn't terribly bad, this price action. Honestly, this just tells me we're in a consolidation reign. I'm going to toss on the Bollinger Band super quickly. Yeah, Bollinger Bands are indicating a consolidation range. When you get that contraction over here, you just go like this. So we're just going to be ping-ponging in this range for quite some time. It looks like we're going to be popping back up to about 65 cents. If in fact we are able to break above 65 cents, I could see us going all the way up to possibly 71 cents, but we're in a consolidation range. And the problem with a lot of you guys, I'm going to tell you, y'all going to be pissed at me. Price does not equate to utility. So just because XRP is not pumping today doesn't mean it's not going to pump again. You have to be patient, okay? If you don't have conviction in investing or trading, don't do it. Right now, we got a bull cross on MACD for XRP. Market Cipher is headed on up. It looks like we might pump a little bit. So I think we do have a decent shot of breaking above 65 cents. And then from there, I think probably we can reach this high at about 71 cents. So for XRP, I'm good. This is a nice setup on the daily. We're above the EMA 200 and we're just going sideways. Nothing too bad, okay? And we might get a drop back down to the lower part of the Bollinger Band at 57 cents, but that's okay. We're just doing our own thing, okay? Now we're going to take a look at this store. Let's talk about Chainlink. We love Chainlink. I used to have Chainlink. I don't think I have it anymore. I don't know. Anyways, Chainlink staking V0.2 is launching this year. Mark the dates on your calendar. Priority migration November 28th. Early access December 7th and general access December 11th. Planning to stake your link, read this. So if you're somebody who wants to stake link, let's talk about it. I don't do one-on-one stuff. If you want to talk to me, you can join the trading group or you can subscribe to me on Twitter and send me a DM. Otherwise, I'm not talking to you. My time is too valuable. I do the streams. I love you guys, but I'm not going to be in DMs with people. It's weird. But you got to pay me. Got to cut me a check. So let's talk about some of the risks with staking. One of the key tricks and tips that I like to do with staking is I like to use a moon bag. That means when I move my initial investment, I remove my profit, I've removed enough for taxes. What I own is free and clear. So I'll go ahead and stake it either on a centralized exchange or a DeFi or something like this. Okay. That right there is what I like to do, because there's things called impermanent loss. There's all these different things that can happen when we're talking about staking. Okay. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead and read a little bit more about this story with Link. So shout out to the Link Marines. So Chainlink staking, point 2 is live, featuring an expanded 45 million link pool, a 9-day priority migration. Okay, we talked about that. So basically what they're doing is they're increasing the pool size to 45 million tokens, which is 8% of the current circulating supply, in hopes to open the door to a more diverse array of link holders. The move is part of their economics 2.0 plan, and they aim an extra layer of security to the network. I love an extra layer of security to the network. It's fantastic. I think this is great news. Congratulations to the Link Marines. And let's go ahead and take a look at the chart and see if we can see an opportunity for us to go ahead and invest. But before I do that, I want to stop by the chat and tell all of the amazing 410 concurrent viewers, get me up to 369, please, to 369. I wasn't going to say, damn, I'm fine, because I feel like a 3 today, but you know what to do. Okay. Oh, thank you, Queen, for liking the olive green thrift store, girl. But anyway, smash the like, get it up, and stop be grifting over here. Please. Please. But get the likes up, help me, support me. But let's go ahead and take a look at, Link and Linky. At that sneaky linky. I don't have one of those. Did I used to have those when I was running around and young? I don't know. Ticky tacky. All right, so this is Link. I don't know what the hell I did here, but we have a crazy chart. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to do a naked chart. Yes, we will do a naked chart. No, I'm not taking my clothes off. You got to pay for that. And I only do that for my mans anyways. So let's go ahead. Okay, let me remove Bollinger Bands. We don't need it. Wendy likes to just be herself. Okay. All right. So right now, what I'm seeing this kind of take place. These are generally like these ascending wedge thingies. You're generally going to get you'll see a little bit higher. You'll probably see something like this. And bam, like that. That's generally what they do. Is that going to happen? I don't really know. But right now, one of the things that I'm seeing as we printed a red dot on market cipher, MACD is kind of flat. Okay. Let me take a look at the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour, 4 hours looking a little bit that we're going to pop back up above the EMA 100 and continue to consolidate in here. So with Link right now, I don't know, with Bitcoin dropping, I'd be a little bit concerned. That's all. But again, we're still technically in an uptrend. But if we do complete this like ascending wedgie thingy, you generally get a little bit down. I'm on YouTube. Baby. What a surprise. All the crypto influencers are back. You know what I know what's so funny about that is that I've been making daily videos no matter what. Like if you go to my YouTube channel, I'm going to talk my talk here with you, because people like you, not only are you so ignorant, but you're so annoying, because people like you will continue to get wrecked because you don't fact check. I have been doing 2 videos a day on YouTube, 7 days a week, sometimes 1 to 2 videos a day on TikTok, lives almost every single day. Yeah. On TikTok, Kenny, go look. Go look, please. But the thing is, you didn't go look and you didn't fact check. And what's going to end up happening to you is you're going to end up getting wrecked in the cycle. And then you're going to come back and blame it on people that make content because you do not do your due diligence. I'm going to start calling people out on this, okay? Because it's ignorant and it is absolutely ridiculous. I am active. I show up every single day. So you know what? Go talk to another man with that same energy, please. Anyways, with that being said, with Link, I think we're going to continue to go up this way and then have a little bit of a drop. That's what I think is going to happen. But we got to talk about this next project, because this next project also has some really great news. It is Helium. And this is awesome. Okay. And Helium might have surprised me. I'm going to tell you why. In crypto, it is a running joke in crypto with the mobile phones. Okay. There were so many different crypto projects that would always come out, especially in the bear market. And they would be like, we're dropping a mobile phone. And they would always go away. Helium dropped the mobile phone, I believe, in the bull market. I think it had something to do with Solana. We're going to reread the story. We're going to re-educate ourselves. And it's okay that I don't remember everything. I got a 7-year-old daughter I have to chase. I have to help her memorize her spelling words. So I don't always remember everything, okay? Anyways, though, with that being said, I want to say it's a Solana it's like a Solana project now. But their phone, they dropped in the bull market and then went through the bear market. And now it's still like coming around. So this is commendable, okay? Very, very commendable. But again, it was always like a meme in crypto, because all these people like we're dropping a phone, and it was literally nothing. So anyways, Helium Mobile unveils $20 unlimited plan in the US, integrating blockchain and 5G. This is absolutely amazing. This is affordable. This is literally affordable. Not only are they integrating blockchain, but it's 5G. I love this because you know what? Times are hard right now. A lot of people are they're struggling. They're having trouble paying things. And you know what? This makes me happy because this is something that is affordable. Okay. And it's unlimited data, texts, and calls for $20 a month. I might switch there because you know what? Paying $100 a month is too much money. I can't afford it with this economy, with this recession. Okay. A lot of new crypto mining content is getting released. Maybe that's what they meant. Yeah, well, crypto mining, yeah, the miners, the OG miners, those boys, they have been running the rigs for quite some time. And we're going to talk about a story towards the end of the show about how absolutely disgusting, something horrible happened when the mining community and the boys are turning on their rigs and they're going hard. And I love to see the miners unite. Love it. Makes me happy. RIP Savage Mine. Anyways, though. So Helium Mobile leverages the Helium network on Solana and nationwide 5G network. This is bullish, you guys. This is super bullish. Users can become builders of their own network by setting up a Helium mobile hotspots, acting as mini cell towers to expand coverage. And the launch follows a successful trial conducted in Miami earlier this year. Helium is working with T-Mobile, with Helium paying them for backup coverage. This is freaking awesome. And $20 a month, you can't beat that. You cannot beat that. Any way, shape, or form. And then we got a story about Stellar coming next and Solana. So please stick around. Please stick around. Let me go ahead and chart. Let's go ahead and take a look at Helium really quickly. Helium. HNT. Yes, baby. We'll go ahead and use KuCoin. Helium pumped like crazy. This is awesome. So if you were holding Helium and you were buying down over here, consider taking profit because you're up quite a bit, okay? Consider taking that profit. Smash the like. And if you want to trade with me on Femex, drop my link. I appreciate it, Kenny. I appreciate that. Thank you. And I apologize if I came off a little hard, but the algorithm is just not doing really great on TikTok. Yeah, it's not doing well. My videos aren't getting pushed, but we've been active every single day. So go ahead and go look, baby. Anyways, though, with Helium, if you guys bought Helium and you had confidence in yourself, consider taking some profit because we're up. Are we going to continue to climb? We 100% could, but I would still be cautious, okay? Would you think XRP will dip to the 40-cent low range again? I'm not 100% sure if XRP will do that, but it wouldn't hurt you to set a limit order down over there and then had a separate trading or investing plan. So when things pump like this, it's really hard to chart. One thing I don't like on the dailies, we got a swing wick high to 545, and then we got another swing wick high to $5.92. Okay, I don't like that. It looks like a little bit overdone. Now, taking a look at the 4-hour chart, we're consolidating really nicely above the EMA 9. However, I don't know if that's going to sustain. So if this is the local top here, I'm going to give you two scenarios. Local top here, then we could probably drop down to this area, about 349, 348, or we can continue to climb upward. So those are going to be the two scenarios with Link. But because we had such big news, I would be cautious here because when we talked about ORDI, and we had a pretty gnarly drop. Okay. Now let's take a look at Stellar, XLM. So XLM teases its most important upgrade. See what will change. All right. So their Protocol 20 upgrade is going to start on December 11th. It will go until December 19th ahead of the January 20th public network readiness upgrade. Upgrade will introduce 12 new core advancement proposals, which will introduce smart contract functionalities. Smart contracts are important because you can basically program something to execute without third-party intervention. We love this, especially for Stellar and XLM. This is a bullish use case for me, okay? And this would go in my positive aspect of fundamentals, okay? Okay. Stellar has teased these functions for a while, but once they're added, Stellar will see DeFi and NFT innovations to the platform. So basically very similar to Cardano and to XRP. They're going to start to see NFTs and DeFis. And I know that this is a TikTok favorite. I know it's a YouTube favorite. People love this, and that's great. I rock with it, and I'm happy for you guys, okay? So let's go ahead and take a look. Where did I put my charts? Here we go. Let's go ahead and take a look at XLM, see what's going on. Be cautious on buying on the pumps, though, babies. Be cautious. Okay, XLM really hasn't taken off yet. Hold up. It really hasn't. Honestly, to me, XLM is still, this is still, if you like XLM, it's actually still a good buy. This is actually, to me, this is a bullish signal. I think even if you buy up here before we break above the EMA 200 at approximately 13 cents, I think it's still a good buy because look at this range. We have this bottom over here at about 7 cents, and then we got this swing wick high that occurred here at about 13 cents. Yes, we did have a swing wick high all the way to 19 cents, but we haven't been able to get back above there since July. Oh, this is the 3-day? Is it the 3-day? Why am I on the 3-day? Since July. Okay, so I think that the XLM right now is a pretty good buy. On the daily chart, it is showing that we're above the EMA 200, but honestly, anywhere in this range, this tight range here between about 10 cents and about 13 cents, I think it would be good. I'm on YouTube, sweetie. I'm on YouTube. So Stellar, this looks good to me. I'm not saying that it's going to flip above right away. I'm not going to say that we're going to break down here 10 cents right away. I am simply saying I think that it looks pretty good. Look at the weekly. Let's go ahead and reset the chart. Look at the weekly. This is beautiful. The XLM looks fantastic to me. Absolutely fantastic. Chart looks beautiful. This is something I would consider taking a look in. Really, really taking a look. We have 452 concurrent viewers, only 238 likes. Smash the like, get it up, and don't be vanilla. Don't be vanilla, baby. Queen is a moonbag. She's a moneymaker. She's out here printing. Okay, we also have a poll at the top. What is your investing style? Holding, trading, degen, and bean soup. So most of you guys are holding. You need to have an area that you want to exit. Make sure to get me up to 369 likes. I would appreciate that. That would make me happy. I had a rough morning. I was crying, and my daughter says, "Mommy, why are you crying?" Mommy's going through it right now. It's okay, though. So Solana. Let's talk about Solana, honeys. Solana's NFT marketplace booms with Tensor in top spot. Let's talk about this. Okay, I told you guys about Solana NFTs. I told you about Bonfida. I told you about all these different Solana protocols in the bear market, but everybody was yelling at me because all everybody does is yell at me, but that's okay because I'm going to keep saying what I want to say, and I don't care. With that being said, let's go ahead and read the story, read the news on Solana. Okay, so Solana's marketplace booms with Tensor in top spot. The NFT trading platform Tensor is now the top platform in Solana's NFT marketplace, and it did overtake Magic Eden in trading volume in the network. Tensor's trading volume hit over 1 million in the past month, which is almost double Magic Eden. Tensor makes up 60% of the total NFT trading market share on Solana, and Magic Eden still has more unique wallet users than Tensor with roughly 116,000 wallets and a 70% engagement rate, and Tensor also has 86,000 wallets and a 52% engagement rate. Okay? So NFTs are not going away. We're going to be talking more about RWOs. We're going to be talking more about them coming up again because the markets are heating up. I told you guys to pay attention. I've always told you guys to pay attention to them. And a lot of GameFi NFTs are also going to be on these types of platforms. Okay? Okay, so make sure you continue to pay attention. Now let's go ahead and take a look at Solana on the chart wise. Okay, so this is Solana. The weekly looks toppy. The weekly looks toppy here, okay? But that's okay. That's okay. MACD still has a ways to go up. Taking a look at the daily chart, hey, we ripped up to $65. And right now, we just printed a green dot on market cipher. MACD wants a bull cross. I see us hitting $75 soon. Taking a look at the 6-hour chart, 6-hour chart's getting a little bit tired. Same with the 4-hour, okay? But I think we might, if we do get a little bit of a pullback at 59, it looks like we're definitely going to break above $65.70. Again, none of this is financial advice. So Solana and XLM look like good plays. XLM looks like a really, really, really good long-term play. I love it. All right, now taking a look at this story. So this is from Sotherby's for the fancy people. So Sotherby's begin first Bitcoin Ordinals NFT auction for Bitcoin shrooms. This is absolutely ridiculous, but let's go. And I told you all NFTs ain't going anywhere. So if you don't know who Sotherby's is, they're fancy. They're an auction house, has begun the first Bitcoin Ordinal sale. It features 3 items from Bitcoin Shrooms collection, and its a collection is a pixelated recap of the first 13 years of Bitcoin 8-bit style, current high bids of 42,000, 50,000, and 28,000, and it's running from December 6th to 13th. We are back. NFTs are back, so you better get in line, get in action. Also, I think the Smurf Cats, they asked me to do a giveaway for them for whitelist spots. I'm going to go ahead and post it on Twitter, so if you want a Smurf Cat, I think it is. I know one of the guys is with the project, so I says, yeah, I'll do it, and it's not sponsored. Anyways, this is another story about NFT. So eBay, and this is a rumor because we couldn't find any sources on this. eBay just filed a patent for the tokenization of collectibles. The collectibles market is forecasted to be worth about $1 trillion by 2033, and eBay is primed to be a key contributor growth. Okay, we don't know if this story is true or not. We tried to fact check it, so it's just a rumor. I wouldn't put it past eBay to do this. You want to know why? Because eBay was the... Oh, thank you so much for the crown. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you so much. Love and light to you. eBay, I was an eBay seller for a very long time. And let me tell you something about eBay. eBay That's what they're known for, is collectibles. Why wouldn't you want to why wouldn't you want to have your sellers have the opportunity to have their product authenticated and then an NFT to go along with it saying, hey, we're authenticated by eBay? NFTs aren't going anywhere. RWRs aren't going anywhere. This is just the beginning. It's going to keep getting better and better. And if some of you guys held on to your NFTs and you did well, I'm so happy for you, because we are heating up, and we're heating up, and we are just not vanilla, baby. Hold on. Blessed to take almost 300% on the entire Sol trade. Shout out to Yatube. Congratulations. Good for you. Give him a clap. We love that. Also, to you guys, I want you guys to start taking some profit. Shout out to Randy. I love that. Bonk, baby, bonk. I'm going to try to get I'll get bonked later. Crypto Gamer says there was a huge airdrop for Solana users on Jito. He probably called that a long time ago. But you guys, I want you guys to start posting your profit taking. If you've taken profit and you made some money, I want you guys to post it. I want to know about it, because I want to celebrate you, because we should celebrate when we're making money and we're doing things to improve our quality of life. I want to hear that, because that makes me happy. And you know what? A lot of you know that I've been going through some personal stuff. I've been having a very hard time, and I don't know what to do to fix myself. But one thing I do know is that when you guys win and you guys are making money and you guys are practicing risk management and taking accountability for your own actions and you're self-educating, that actually makes me happy. So you know what? We're going to start hyping people up. I'm going to get a bell somewhere in here so we can like make it clap or make it rain. Do something for you. We got to shout this out, because this is important. I want you guys to win, and we need to hype. I feel like we need to do a better job as a crypto community of hyping each other up. Also, too, free airdrop. Okay, KarateCombat is giving people a free airdrop of their karate token. Their fight is on the 15th. I will be going. They send me. Not only are they sending me, but they are sending 10 to 15 of our babies. 10 to 15 of our babies from the self-care lab out of Montclair, California, kids that grew up like I did. And these kids are going to get to meet some of the fighters. They're going to get to be in the crowd. They're going to be so close to the fights, and we are hype. And shout out to the self-care lab in Montclair, California for bringing boxing, or for utilizing boxing as a form of mental health for our inner city youth and for people that come from where we come from, and all different types of people, because guess what? Exercise is good for you. And it's good. So support KarateCombat. Go in the description. Click the link. I don't get paid for this, but they're giving away tokens. Why not? And it's built on HBAR. It's an HBAR project. Why wouldn't you want to? Hello. Next. This is important right here, okay? The Federal Reserve will cut interest rates 6 times in 2024 as the economy shows clear signs of cooling down. ING says, guess what? Guess what? They got caught. They screwed things up so bad, there's no going back. So they're going to be cutting the interest rates. No, it's not me, sweetie. It's somebody else. It's a bunch of, I've got impersonators. All the official links are on CryptoWendyO.com. You guys, the federal rate will cut interest rates 6 times in 2024. Guess what? It's election season. That's why they're going to be cutting the interest rates. They don't care about you. Everybody's been suffering this whole entire time, and they haven't done anything. Nothing. They haven't increased the welfare they've given out. They haven't increased Section 8. They haven't increased food stamps. They haven't increased anything for anybody, and nobody can eat. Nobody can pay their bills. So of course they're going to be cutting interest rates, because when they cut interest rates, it helps lower inflation. It helps lower the cost of living so people could actually eat. But guess what? Still don't trust these people. They hate you. But good, I'm glad that they're doing it. Anyways. So ING Economics says the Fed will cut interest rates 6 times in 2024. This is alleged, okay? Cuts would be in response to a slowing U.S. economy, moderating inflation, cooling jobs, and deteriorating outlook for consumer spending. It's going to start in quarter 2. Expect 6 25-point basis cuts in 2024, totaling 150 basis points. Also expect cuts to extend into 2025 with at least 4 25 basis point interest rate cuts. It don't matter. It don't matter. It doesn't matter. The damage is done. A lot of the prices are not, in fact, going to go down. Cut the interest rates all you want, but guess what? We know what you did. We will never forget how you treated us during the panorama and after the panorama. We will never forget how high and how expensive things cost. We'll never forget what you did to us. And guess what? You better not forget it either. You press your public sermons and you demand they do better, because this is not okay. If you're going to be raising interest rates all crazy, you better make sure your people can eat, because most people can't eat here. And everybody thinks, oh, America, and they want to come here for a better quality of life. Guess what? Our own people here don't even have a good quality of life. I'm doing okay. I can eat today. I got a roof over my head. But a lot of people don't. A lot of people are struggling. A lot of people don't even have an extra $300 a week. They don't even have $500 in their bank accounts. And that's not okay. And again, I'll play the devil's advocate here. Sometimes people spend too much money on things they don't need. They're making payments on the brand new iPhone. They're getting designer bags. They're getting the newest Nikes, buying Starbucks, all that crap. I'm going to tell you all right now. In order to change the way America works, stop taking debt out on stupid things. Stop it right now. Because guess what? We're not using debt the same way the rich people are using debt, okay? You take debt out for things you need, for like a house or for a car, a necessity, or if you have to pay your bills or something. But guess what? We as Americans, we're going to have to take a step back and watch our spending because we cannot trust on our public servants to come save us. Because look what they did to us. Look what they did to us. Don't trust these people. And you know what? We're going to have to get better on our savings. And credit cards are going to default too. But guess what? The whole credit card defaulting thing, I can't really blame a lot of people. If you are taking credit card debt out to pay your mortgage, to pay your rent, to pay your bills, to put food on the table, to buy basic necessities for your family, I can't be mad at you. I can't. But if you're buying stupid stuff, luxury things, cell phones are luxury. It is a luxury thing. Brand new shoes, that's a luxury. Go to the thrift store. Anyways, that's just my business. We have 484 beautiful people over here. I appreciate you guys. I rock with you guys. I'm sending you all love and light. I only got 309 likes. I need 469 likes. Okay? I need 469 likes. Because you want to know why? We want to push this out to more people. And I appreciate you guys for rocking with me. But this stuff makes me mad. This stuff really heats me up. You want to know why? Because we don't deserve this. And the only way that we are going to get ahead is if we grift just like them. All right, next. I'm going to be covering this later because this is a crypto thing later for the 2:30 p.m. PST video. So you guys better stick around for that. I've wanted to make a video on TikTok, but I forgot what it was going to be about. I'll figure it out later. All right. We talked about this yesterday. This was JP Morgan. He says he would close down Bitcoin and crypto if he was the government. The only true uses are for criminals, drug traffickers, money laundering, tax avoidance. That's a lie. That's what fiat currency is for. And I love that it got fact checked. It got fact checked with community notes on Twitter. Less than 1% of the trillions transacted annually in crypto are illicit. The UN estimates that annually between 2 and 5% of global GDP, $800 billion to $2 trillion is used for illicit activities, money laundering through the traditional banking system and cash. You see how these people lie? You see how these people will lie to you in your face because it impacts their bottom line. This is why I don't rock with the elites. This is why I don't rock with the upper class people. This is why I don't generally rock with people with a lot of money because they don't care. But then again, at the same time, people from like people that I used to rock with growing up, they didn't have my back. There's a bunch of people this year in 2023 I rock with. I helped them achieve the success that they achieved today in my personal life that turned their back on me. And guess what? I will never forget it. They're gonna eat at my table again? Never. So next time they come crawling to me asking me to borrow money, don't come asking me to donate to your kids, whatever the sports or whatever either, because WendyO is not playing. I am not playing. I don't play. Anyways, so 500 beautiful people, 345 likes, give me 469. And don't be vanilla about it, honey. Don't be vanilla. All right, let's go ahead. Excuse me. Apologies. And that's why I doubled down on my crypto investments. Whoop, whoop. Yeah, Elizabeth Warren, I don't like her. All right. U.S. Bitcoin ETF issuers talks with SEC have advanced to key detail sources. Let's go ahead and read what's going on because we are getting a Bitcoin spot ETF in 2024, quarter one, quarter two. Okay. All right. So according to unnamed executives, discussions between SEC and asset managers trying to list Bitcoin spot ETFs have advanced to key technical dates. As discussions have advanced, issuers have had to update their filings to reflect new details. That's BlackRock, and BlackRock updated the filing to provide more insight into measures it plans to take to protect investors. This Reuters article says, Reuters, says the advanced talks help explain the recent Bitcoin pump. Sources also told Reuters they believe that the recent court ruling requiring the SEC to reconsider Grayscale's previously rejected Bitcoin ETF applications gives regulators less legal grounds to reject the outstanding applications. 13 firms have pending applications, and SEC has until January 10th to make a decision on ARK's filing, which is first in line. Bloomberg analyst James Savant says the window for approval is January 5th to 10th, 2024, coincides with the ARK deadline. 2021. Yes, I am expecting a pullback. 2024, we'll get the ETF. We will. We'll probably get a pullback before that. And then we will go ahead and pump. Okay, details. Okay, whatever. Robinhood launches crypto trading service in the EU. So if you're in the EU, you can go ahead and trade some crypto over there. So that's good, okay? The new product will allow users to buy, sell, hold more than 25 tokens, Bitcoin, Ethereum, ADA, XRP, Sol, and DOT. Cool. A side note on this story, okay? The EU, where the proposed comprehensive set of regulations called Markets in Crypto Assets Regulation, MiCA it's a set of stricter rules for crypto trading platforms and stablecoin issuers. It's pretty strict. This next story too for Polo. Do you guys trade on Polo? You guys trade on Polo? If anybody trades on Polo, let me know. But anyways, Polo challenges Mount with FCA warning over user withdrawal issues. Oh God, and this is the Justin Sun thing. So the UK financial regulator, FCA, added Polo to its warning list of companies offering financial services without permission within its jurisdiction. In a statement, they said Polo may be promoting financial services or products without permission. You should avoid dealing with the firm. They also said that anyone involved with the firm can't utilize a financial ombudsman service. F them. F them. F them. I think so somebody says, do I think Bitcoin ETF will be approved by January? I'm going to say Q1 to Q2, 2024. I don't think it's going to be this year. We're like close to the end of the year. Okay. You guys, I'm going to be talking about a very serious story now. So please stick around. Okay. This is important. This is important for your freedom. This is important to your liberty. This is important aspect of crypto because it all ties into a CBDC, and I will explain. First and foremost, shout out to the Samurai Wallet team. These guys have been on my channel. They have showcased me kindness and decency, and they've always been great people to me, okay? And they're part of rocking in a true decentralized economy. Samurai Wallet allows you to mix your transactions. It basically means if you want to send, let's say we go to, you guys want to buy some feet pictures from me. My feet are so gross, by the way. And I say, okay, fine, $500. Again, this would never happen. And then you send me Bitcoin, but you want to send it to me and have the transaction mixed because you don't want your boss to find out about this or whatever. I don't know. Or maybe you want to buy my rock, my turquoise rock, and you want to send me. This is a pretty green. Oh, that's the price I paid, $27. Anyways, though, so you mix the transaction, and this is good for privacy. Okay. I'm not even in Florida. I can't leave California for 11 years. Don't ask. Anyways, with that being said, so mixing is important. It's important for privacy because when we have a CBDC, it's going to be closed source. It's going to be private and everybody's going to be, it's going to be private to where everybody can see all your business. It's not going to be the way crypto works. So mixers are important. And as mixers don't mean you're doing something bad. You just like your privacy. Ain't nobody's business what's in your wallet. Anyways, let's go over this. This is important. Please share this, okay? And share this post on Twitter. Please, please, please. All right. So Samurai Wallet is a Bitcoin wallet accuses Ocean Mining of censoring transactions. This accusation also goes to Jack Dorsey. Let me tell you something about Jack Dorsey. Jack Dorsey is a self-proclaimed Bitcoiner. He used to own Twitter. And if you're a Bitcoiner and you do not support freedom of speech, what are you even doing? It's a complete contradiction to what Satoshi's intended vision was. Satoshi wanted people to have liberty, to have freedom to do what they want to do. But guess what? Jack grifts. And he's rich, so he gets to do it. So basically, Samurai Wallet accused Ocean Mining Pool of censoring transactions. Ocean denies, blames a bug in Samurai software, which it's not because Samurai doesn't mess around at all, especially when it comes to tech. Accusation extends to Dax Dorsey, an Ocean investor, of a hostile action and let the miners turn their rigs on and just keep it running, baby, and run it hard. Samurai also accused Bitcoin core dev and Ocean founder Luke Dasher of censoring transactions and deploying blacklists for transactions in past and suggesting his long-standing intent to do so. Dasher denies the past censorship, blames the Samurai's bug. Crypto community divided on the issue. Some support Samurai, others urge bug fixing. I support Samurai. I rock with Samurai here, 100%. I rock with them, and I rock with them hard because I support decentralization. I support privacy, and I support protecting people's liberty, and that's exactly what Samurai is about. So I rock with them. And if you want a good mixing service, go use Samurai and say WendyO sent me. I don't get anything from it, but I want them to know I support them. Yep, that's what we do here. All right, you guys, with that being said, I gotta go do some stuff. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here. Two of the top plays. I think Sol is going to end up going up a little bit higher, and I think XLM is going to be a really good long-term play. Really good long-term play. Wait for the pullback on ORDI, but XLM looks the best to me. Are you selling? Did you sell? I sold a bunch of like moon bags that I didn't need anymore. I always held Bitcoin and Ethereum in stables, and I've got moon bags of Solana and Gala. I have got 3 Gala founders nodes, 3 music nodes, Matic, Solana. I just bought a couple grand of Algo. I'm going to buy more. I'm going to wait for a pullback on Bitcoin and get some more. I might miss out. I don't know, but I've been in this game for a long time, baby. But anyways, before I go, I just want to let you know, I'm proud of you, and it's going to be okay. Whatever you're going through, I promise, just get through today. You can't just think about getting through today. Get through this minute, get through this hour, just get through. Okay. And you're going to be okay. I promise. Things are tough right now. I know it's expensive to live. I know food's expensive. I know that you're probably struggling with something that's on the, it's karate, but you have to go to my YouTube channel to get it. I know you're struggling with all different sorts of things, but I promise you it's going to get better. Even though my personal life, I don't feel like it's going to get better right now. I'm going to put myself out there and say it's going to get better. But anyways, I'm sending y'all love and light. Smash a like. Don't be grifting. I appreciate all of you. Please share this because it helps support me. And I will see you guys tomorrow. And I'm also going to be dropping a video for you guys, a pretty hot presidential debate on what candidate I'm looking to vote for. Remember, when it comes to grifting in the presidential election, I'm here. I'm going to be grifting hard. I'm voting for whoever is pro-crypto. And it's going to keep changing and changing. Anyway, sending y'all love and light. Bye-bye. Bye, TikTok. I love you guys. Have a great rest of your day. I'll see y'all tomorrow, and go watch my video. I'm going to be posting it on YouTube. And I'm also going to drop something for you guys here later, okay? Bye, babies.